Hello, today we are going to learn how we can delete blank rows from Excel sheet with few easy steps. So for this you can see I have created a data table here and you will able to see there is few blank rows and blank cells are available in this table. So for removing the blank rows, what we need to do, we need to select the entire data table. And then after selecting the entire data table, then we need to click on sort, find and select option, then go to special, and then we need to select the blank option and press OK. You will able to see that all the blank rows has been highlighted in different color. And now you need to click on inside this home tab, you need to click on delete option and click on delete sheet rows. Now you will able to see there is no blank rows and blank cell are present inside the data table. So this is the way you can remove the blank rows from Excel sheet. Hope this small video will help you to remove blank rows from a huge data table in a very quickest way and will improve your production. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like, please make sure you have subscribed my channel